Want to experience Dubai in Mumbai? Just have a look at this elevation, which is spread across 2.57 acres of property, giving you luxury and luxury and luxury. So look at this property, which is beautifully color themed with black and white, which is so not common in Mumbai. You see this place? This is such a beautiful place. So spacious.
Very true.
And look at the cushions and everything. Wow. This is not a flat. This is actually a sanctuary of modern and lifestyle. It's beautiful, so stylish. And would you like to go and check out the dining area?
Definitely.
Imagine sitting here with a family having a beautiful dinner. And we can also have a candlelight dinner here. It's beautiful. What a place this is. And even the kitchen area is wow. I'd love to cook some Italian here.
Yeah.
And then if you see the cabinets, beautifully done, modular kitchens and everything. And good space this is. And even the fridge. This kitchen is amazing.
True.
We go and check out the master bedroom. How spacious is the bedroom? Imagine having a bedroom with this size in Bombay. It's so surreal. Even having the king size bed and this closet. Good size closet this is, giving that luxury feel. The storage capacity is so amazing and unexpected living in this prime location of Bombay. Yeah, and the washroom, if you see, they've got a big, huge mirror here. And I think it is equipped with Kohler.
Kohler?
Yes, it's there. And it's beautifully done with the marble flooring. Okay, we have the second bedroom here. This is also beautifully done. It's the same closet that we have in the master bedroom. Despite this, the common bedroom. And then the curtain space, again a beautiful view from here.
Common washroom?
Yes. Even the common washroom doesn't feel like it is the common washroom. It has so much of space, and the mirror capacity and the shower capacity is amazing.
Yes.
Okay, so we move to the second master bedroom. Again in the same size, almost, with having a king size bed and definite closet. Very exquisite view.
You can play chess as well over here.
Yeah, definitely. You can enjoy.
Yeah. Keep saying.
What to say, man?
I'm
Okay,
okay, I will win this game.
okay. You are a district level player,
No.
but okay, I'm going to win this one. Okay, so we have the washroom here. I think despite the master bedroom or any common bedroom, the washrooms are same in the same capacity, and the shower area is beautiful. We check out, which makes you see yourself every day when you get up in the morning. And again, we come back to the living area. But what we haven't seen is this deck. This deck gives you that surreal feel where you can sit comfortably and enjoy your morning coffee, talk to your... So imagine sitting here so comfortably and enjoying your morning coffee, enjoying the view. What better you can expect? So this amazing property, which is a penthouse of 3,880 square feet, will come to you with just a price of But before that, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also tell us in the comments how do you find this property, and share with your friends. Maybe they like it more than you. So this property, which is situated in the prime location of Andheri, which has extremely good connectivity from the metros to the bus depots and everything, and also the coastal road, which is a future project coming up soon. This property has 21 plus amenities, and you won't believe it has got a salon also, which is very rare to have it in any property. But cheers to Hiranandani Estate for bringing this in. And all of this, you just get it at a price of only 20 crores. And if you are interested in this property, please contact on the numbers given below.